Welcome to Lily Artist English. Easy fabric painting design for beginners. In this video, I will show you how you can paint a simple flower. Before starting painting, let's draw the design first. Here I am drawing directly on the fabric, but if you want to learn how you can trace the design on cloth by tracing paper, do comment below. I will make a video on that so you can learn, but today I am designing a very simple design directly with the pencil. As you can see, I am making this video especially for my little subscriber, as she wants this video in English because there is a competition in a school and she wants to learn how she can paint her fabric very well with easy step, and also wants her design to stand up. So yeah, here I am with a very easy design and very easy steps so that you can paint very easily and win the competition. Let's paint this beautiful design. Watch video completely, don't skip any part so you can understand very easily. Okay? First of all, I am started painting by filling green color. I will explain a very simple step so that you can understand very well and don't mess up at your competition. So here I am using a sap green and second color is light green. If you don't have a light green color, don't worry, just mix white color in your sap green in separate bottle and mix them well so you can have a light green color. Prepare color at your home, do the things, prepare yourself well before the competition. Don't skip any part to do at the same time when the time start for competition. Prepare your color before it, your brushes, water, cloth, everything. And if you don't know what are the material you need, watch class 1, you will get to know. For painting these leaves, you can have a round brush number 3 or number 4. Both will be suitable for you. And just take the color on the brush and start filling the leaf. After painting leaf like that, you will need a 0 number or 1 number round brush and sap green color. Okay, I was using the green color, leaf green color before for leaves. Sorry, I have mentioned the sap green, and now I am using sap green color, and it's camelin sap green. It is more darker. And for filling the leaf, you can use the olive green, leaf green, or sap green of fevicryl brand. It is a lighter one, and camelin one is darker one, so you will use camelin one for outlining. Okay, and I have shown in some videos the difference between two green. So yeah, I made a mistake before. So yeah, this is sap green, camelin sap green, the darker one, and you will take these sap green for outlining your leaf like that. So this process is very simple. First you have to fill your leaf with the green color, okay, and then you have to take dark green color and outline it very gently. And if you are good in painting, you can also add a line like that in your leaves. These little detail in your painting will enhance your painting, so yeah, make sure to do it. After that, for painting the flower, you can take a flat brush of number 2 and here I'm using orange color with white. So yeah, little bit of orange and then white color, apply like that and blend it well, so we have a light orange color. And if you are like, if this process seems difficult to you, so you can use other method too. Just make a light orange color in a separate bottle by mixing orange and white color together, and then after preparing that color, apply on the flower evenly. Let me finish painting this flower first, then I will explain the further processes. After painting our flower like that, I am again using the 1 number or 0 number brush, round brush, and orange color, and will outline the flower one by one. After outlining the flower, our flower is not that much dry. I am again taking the flat brush, wash it and dry it in a cloth, and then shading the dark orange outline and blending it with the light layer that we have applied before, like that. So yeah, this is the shading we will do, which is so easy. First of all, you need to apply a light orange base on your flower, then you have to outline and then shade like that. Okay, so I hope this video will be very helpful for you. This is my second channel. My main channel is Lily Artist Fabric Works, on which I am continuously sharing fabric painting, different design, different stuff, bedsheet paint, and different flower. But the explanation is in Hindi language, so I have made this separate channel for my non-Hindi subscriber who don't understand Hindi. So I will explain in English for you guys. So keep supporting me on this channel so that I can continue explaining you. And if you are watching this video and you can understand both Hindi and English, so make sure to subscribe my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works, where you can get more videos, more design, variety of design, 500 plus videos. And make sure to subscribe me on this channel if you are non-Hindi subscriber and wants me to upload video in English. So keep supporting me on this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.